Hey guys, welcome to another video. In case if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon on. Alright, let's get into it. Samsung band comes in this kind of box packing. You have got VT branding on the front and you have got a picture of the product on it. Okay, let's see what else is written on the box packing. Okay, as you can see, Samsung Galaxy VT branding on the side, and you have got the specs over here. Also, some highlighted features is written on it, like you have got long battery life, auto fitness and sleep tracking, and water resistant. Okay, talking about the price of this band is for only 2500 rupees. So I feel they have a great job with the pricing. Okay, let's unbox and check out the product. On the opening of this box, we have got the user manual at the top and the band and the other stuff. Okay, let's skip the setup process. And also you have to download this app from the App Store. After the download all these requirement apps, then you are good to go. Okay, you are all set now. And this is how it looks like.